Managing customer expectations during a conversation requires significant mental effort. We've added conversation views to help you make this switch easier. With it, you can save your most used conversation filters as reusable views, so you can switch focus instantly without rebuilding filters every time. Let's check how to use it. In the Conversations tab, open the Views section and click Create View. Name your view, and add the filters to specify which conversations you want to include. Once you've set your conditions, click Create View in the bottom right corner. You can add team members to any created views, similarly to Smart Lists, by clicking the three-dot icon and selecting Share. Conversation views will help you improve your response rate by ensuring no conversation is missed, manage multiple offers with ease thanks to the filtering system, and simplify the creation of channel-targeted approaches with views you can share with your entire team. Now you create conversation views that keep your priorities organized. This feature is ideal if you regularly check the same sets of conversations, as it will help you avoid wasting time on repetitive filtering. We hope you enjoy it.